Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's 11:15. Today, I'm going to go to Shaq Specialist Cars because last time I went, I don't know whether I edited a video, but hello, brightness. There was no parking space, so we're gonna ring Harry up, see if he wants to go. If not, we're gonna go on our own. So let's get ready. We're going to change really quickly by clapping our hands, okay? No. Oh shit. Better. One more. Let's go sit in the car for a bit. In the car, well, yeah, I'm in the car, obviously. I'm going to set the suction mount on the outside. Hopefully it doesn't fall, it's been raining, so I'll try to dry it best I can. As I went to see Harry when he was driving, he'd already finished. So I popped down to Dad's. They're not doing anything. They've been boring today. So we're off to Shaq's Cars. We're gonna film some B-roll, some pictures, get some lunch.
All this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm counting up this money like I'm rolling in wasabi and chopping up that cabbie, just call me Johnny Karate. I don't think they ready, I don't think they ready. I'm about to drop it like I'm holding something heavy. I got sushi in my belly, with groupies in my telly. Y'all peanut butter jelly, we get Gouda like a deli. I'm trying to keep it level-headed, now that I got some credit. Going hard in the paint like Picasso with a fetish. And I've been living dirty, yeah, you should call the clergy. Go and pray for me, homie, all this currency is cursing me. All this origami, all this origami, all this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm going kamikaze like. Kamikaze like. Origami, cause I've been flipping shit like I've been cooking teppanyaki. Yo, I tell them sayonara, this ain't no Benihana. I've been serving raw shit you chop up with the katana. Yeah, these bitches getting saucy like chicken teriyaki. So I take them to the dojo and I wax them like Miyagi, because I've been living dirty. You should call it.
So I'm at Grandad's. I haven't got my mic, it's in the car, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna shoot a video, well, I think I'm just gonna shoot some shots of his Land Rover and then probably include it in tomorrow's vlog, just because you've got Shaq's Cars in this vlog for B-roll. I don't want too much B-roll, you know what I mean, but I'm gonna get it out now and shoot some footage. Can't wait to get a drone so everything's overhead and whatnot, so yeah.
clergy, go and pray for me, homie. All this currency is cursed me. All this origami, all this origami, all this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm going kamikaze like.
I'm gonna set off home. It's raining at the moment, but we're gonna say bye-bye to Nan. Look at that sun, Nan.
Oh, son,
That sun in there.
you're taking me photos again.
Music. Maestro, please. Welcome to the stage. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. What are you doing in my car? Please kindly let yourself out of the door. It's over there. Please piss off. Just piss off. Ah! Why are you gonna be horrible, Thomas? Stop being so goddamn horrible to me, and I'll be horrible to you if you stop being horrible to me. You know how it plays, man. It's how it does, man. It's what we do. It's what we do here. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm from Scotland, but I like Mars bars dipped in batter and then deep fried. Hey! Jesus, I am tired. Ooh. The segment at Shaq's Cars bit was... I don't know how to edit it, to be honest with you. Like, the music, I was trying to find music for it, and that was like the only music that I liked, I suppose. It takes the energy out of you just cutting things up and putting them in place and then cutting things up and then put them in place and then cutting and then doing this and then... I haven't done much of that, so it took me forever. It took me like an hour and 45 for like a minute video. It's insane. But yeah, I need a drink actually. Maybe I should get a drink. Should I get a drink? I got a drink. I got a drink here. Had this the whole time and I'm dehydrated and I'm not even drinking. That's cold. I mean, that's warm. Jesus. Oh, that's fucking heaven. That is heaven. There's nothing better than ice cold water when you're boiling. Where was I? Yeah, probably the most time I've spent on a vlog so far. Yeah, I'm trying to improve the quality of the videos. I really am. So I hope you guys do enjoy. I'm going to end it off here. I'm going to just chill for the rest of the night. I haven't really rested the whole day, I suppose, to speak. But that is it, guys. Hope you did enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Because I've been living dirty. You should call the clergy, go and pray for me, homie. All this currency is cursed me. All this origami, all this origami, all this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm going kamikaze like.